applying the knowledge into practice at work.
It introduced me how to business operate by going through real-life case studies.
It helps me to develop my communication skill,
to improve my communication and thinking skill from business perspective.
Welcome to TOP's Career Edge program, which includes career preparation workshops, CareerFit and work placements. It allows students to gradually upgrade their job skills by participating in each program and finally reach their career goals. First, we set up career prep workshops to level up students' job-seeking skills. And then, we provide a one-week CareerFit program, which is run by TOP in conjunction with PwC Australia, where students will learn effective business-ready skills. At last, an opportunity will be offered to program participants to obtain a work placement at a number of industry-leading companies. From previous surveys, over 93% of the program participants were employed within 3 months after graduation. TOP is also an approved provider for Accounting Professional Year Program, Accounting PYP, and it offers real-world business experience and the highly focused classroom-based workplace readiness skills designed to prepare you for your professional life in Australia. The extra migration points will be granted to our Accounting PYP graduates. Based on our data, our PYP graduates for March, April and May 2020 intakes achieved some of the highest employment rates of 91% and 100%.